Hey guys, it's Brian again here with another fan video, and today I present to you a very rare fan indeed. This is a 52-inch Moss Olympus ceiling fan from the early 1980s. It's quite heavy. It features a cast iron spinner motor in it, and if I'm not mistaken, these were originally made by CEC. It's antique brass with stencil blades. It has the original light kit on it with the original glass. As you can see, it's got the frosted etched tulip shades with the center globe with a little cutout in the middle. That one doesn't have a bulb in it. It's in very, very good shape. It's a little dirty. I haven't had a chance to clean it up yet. I just hung it for testing purposes. But it's absolutely awesome to have this fan. If I'm not mistaken, there's not too many collectors that own these fans. They're not common at all. They're actually extremely rare. And I actually happen to own two of these fans. One of them is a parts fan. It's missing a blade bracket and a blade, but I happen to find this one complete off of Facebook Marketplace a couple weeks back. So I picked it up. And these feature a variable speed control that has an on-off position with an on-off pull chain. You can see the beautiful ornate motor housing. These awesome looking blade arms there. The stencil is in very good shape. There's the top of the motor and the coupler that attaches to the down rod and the original bell canopy. And like I said, this is not the first one that I have ever owned, but it just so happens to be the first one that I have ever owned that is complete. The other one that I have is actually down there in that mess of motors down there on the floor. But this one is just awesome. I absolutely love this fan. It's beautiful. So let's go ahead and we will turn it on. I have to grab the pull chain from the other side here. It does have a pretty audible vibration to it. The reason being is that the light kit is somewhat loose and the fan does vibrate. It's got a great low speed, very aesthetic low speed. Go ahead and give it a quarter turn. It doesn't seem to have done anything. I wonder if the variable speed on this is on the fritz. Thank God I have a parts fan. Let's give it another quarter turn. Well, that seems to have done something. Definitely moving a good amount of air. Go ahead and turn it all the way up to high. Well, considering this is the first time I've tested this fan, I'm kind of surprised to find out that the variable speed control seems to be on the fritz. But that being said, it works perfectly on high, and that vibration seems to have disappeared. Surprisingly enough, it doesn't move as much air as the heirloom that I had tested with another video here on my channel, but it does move a good amount of air. That's definitely a good performing fan, but just not as much air movement as the heirloom. I'm kind of surprised considering that they're both, I think, made by the same company, CEC. Really shouldn't be that much of a difference between the two. Oh well. Either way, I'm still happy to have it. I mean, it's a rare fan, so definitely one of the more rare fans in my collection, if not definitely in the top 5 rarest fans I own. Get the spin down. Because these motors are so heavy, they take forever to spin down. You guys saw the heirloom video. I mean, that thing took for freaking ever to stop. So I fully expect this to be no different. Yeah, this is definitely something that I would have hung in my dining room if I had a formal dining room. And if I'm not mistaken, the previous owner that sold me this fan told me that that's exactly where this had been hanging. And he actually had bought this fan new in its original box back when they were being sold. I'm not entirely sure where he got it from. I would imagine probably JCPenney or something, because I know that JCPenney sold Moss fans. But I'm not entirely sure. It is a gorgeous fan though. I absolutely love this fan. The ornate motor housing, those really cool looking blade brackets, the light kit, the stencil blades. I mean, you really could not have asked for a better combination. It'll give you a workout hanging it though. I mean, this thing is freaking heavy. But yeah, definitely one that I plan to hold on to. And hopefully I'll be able to fix that variable speed control, figure out what the heck is going on with that thing. Lucky for me, like I said, I just so happen to have a parts fan. I'll have to test that, see if that variable speed control is working any better than this one. So, unfortunately, I can't show you the fan with the light kit off because the pull chain is broken. But, alas, we continue forward. So that is my 52-inch Moss Olympus ceiling fan. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Keep watching, more videos to come.